Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for coming by. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Catherine and today we have my Allure Beauty Box subscription for August. And this is a $15 per month beauty subscription and it usually has about 5 or 6 full size, sample size, it's always a surprise, products inside. But I find that this one is always worth the $15 and way more. This is definitely a good box. At least that's my opinion. So let's get in here. I haven't even opened it yet and see what we've got this month. I'm so excited. So when we open it up, we have our beautiful pamphlet with our, look at her freckles. I always wish I had freckles. And our lime green, is it green or yellow? You decide. Let me know below what you think. It's kind of greenish, but also kind of yellowish. It's a fun neon color though. This pamphlet, they don't tell us exactly about each product. What they do is they have one of the editors give their opinion about what they think about the product, but it still gives us prices. And I like to reference what the editors think because I like to think that they use it for a while. So let's dive right in and see what I've got. I can't wait. First up, I have They're Real, which is a mascara, and it's a sample by Benefit. That is what the box looks like. Let's get it out of here. And I actually have several of these, so I will add this to the giveaway that I am putting together. Looks like that. It's so cute. I will not take it out since it's going in the giveaway, but let's see what they said about it. Oh, it's on the very first page. That worked well. So she says that this doesn't smudge or flake or rub off on her brow bones, even on sweaty summer days. It usually just takes 2 coats to make her eyes look bigger and brighter. It's truly maximum effect for minimum effort. And they say that a full size is $25. So we'll add that to the giveaway. Let's see what's next. Okay, I have an Erno Laszlo Multitask Eye Serum Mask. So we have one of those. I think I've seen these in the past and I think they come in boxes of 6. Let's see. Wow, I am taking them out right in order. I'm just saying. This says, in addition to making me feel preposterously glamorous, right side up, Erno Laszlo's under eye mask patches are useful. They contain allantoin, a moisturizing agent that offers enough hydration to help plump little lines and soothe delicate under eyes. So that's excellent. It is $35 full price. And like I said, I've seen them in the past and I think that full price is a box of 6. So we have one. Next. I say next and I could cheat because I now know what's next in the book. So, oh, it is right on top. We'll go right for it. This is Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream, Hydrate and Glow. And it's 5 mLs, which is 0.16 fluid ounces. This I happen to know because I get emails all of the time from Sephora that they are carrying this brand new in Sephora now. So if we try it and we like it, it is an easy purchase. And this is what the little container looks like. It's one of those ones that's so empty from the bottom. Let's see what it says about this. This says, this is interesting. This says that Korea is known as a hotbed of beauty disruption, but not so much as a leader in clean, natural sourced formulas. But this editor went to Korea and she found one store, Primera, filled with plants, and the skincare products inside were clean and infused with nutrients from seeds. This moisturizer is their best seller, so of course she had to have it. It is a bouncy gel cream that feels rich but absorbs fast, so it's the perfect primer. And it hydrates intensely with glycerin and cocoa seed butter. Okay, well that's all really good to know. And this says that a 1.6 ounce, which is 50 ml, so 10 times this size, is $40. So this is a little $4 product. And on the front of the full-size one that we can see in here, it says, what is it? A delicately dewy cream that sinks in instantly while providing lasting hydration and nourishment. So let's feel it and see what we think. Doesn't smell like berries, although it's called alpine berry. Who knows what an alpine berry is? It's very herbally. So in theory, this is all over hydration. So this is only going to last a few days, but enough to give it a try and see if it's something we want to try further. Oh wow, that tiny little bit I took is doing the entire back of my hand. Yeah, real herbally smell. Kind of, oh wow, I know I've smelled this before. Oh, I can't put my finger on it, but it's very herbally. It smells so good. All right. This is a great box already. I know they're little sample sizes, but they're things I want to try. Okay, let's see what's next. I have, blocking the way, a mini makeup eraser. Erase all your makeup just with water, equal to 3,600 makeup wipes. Wow. That is a lot of makeup wipes. I have had this type of product in the past, and because it's usually, I'm just going to take this off. I'm not going to take it out, but I'm just going to open it up because I think I'm going to, oh, is it sealed? I don't want to, okay, good. I was going to say I want to look at it. No, I can't hardly. I'm just touching it with my little fingers, guys. Yeah, it's kind of furry looking. And I have some Norwex ones that I love that are not furry. I have tried the furrier ones in the past and not like them as much. So I will pass this on for somebody else to try and perhaps fall in love with. So I'll put that in my giveaway. But let's see what this says about it. So even in the mini, this is a $12 product. It is a soft swatch of cloth. You just wet the fabric and it takes off an entire face of makeup with just a few passes over your skin. And it even gets rid of waterproof mascara in 2 to 3 swipes. She loves how gentle it feels and that it's more eco-friendly than disposable face wipes. She tosses it in with her load of towels. And because it's black, it doesn't show red lip stains. All right. So I will put this in my giveaway. What is next? Next, I have a Cargo Essential Lip Color in Paris. This is what that looks like. It is sealed. I think the bottom is not. Yeah, I can get into the bottom. Okay. This is a cute little silver bullet from Cargo. And like I said, my color is Paris, which is, oh, it's very pretty. It's right on that fence. I think it's going to be a good color for me, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and try it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it will be, but ooh, it's dark. It's kind of a berryish red. Man, I really kind of want to try that on my lips, but I have lip stuff on. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. All right. I just have on, by the way, what you just saw me take off was the Burt's Bees Lip Shimmer in Watermelon. And I am putting up a video in a couple days with a whole face of Burt's Bees because I'm trying to move toward cleaner on days where I don't do this kind of thing and I'm not going out. And the one thing I have discovered from all of that is I love that lip shimmer. That color was great. It felt great. It lasts way longer than you think a shimmer is going to last. Actually, I need to take my glasses off for distance. Oh my goodness. Well, you're not going to miss me come in with these lips on. Actually, they're kind of pretty. It would be better if I had a lip liner and had some control. This is a little big. I have such narrow, thin, I hate to use the word thin. I have such thin lips. So this feels a little unwieldy, but I love the color and it feels really nice and creamy. All right, let's see what it says about it. This says, the essential lip colors are creamy with intense pigmentation, one coat and done, and a vibrancy that makes your lips look plumper. The color stays fresh and fun for hours. There are 11 shades that we could have gotten. They consider Paris, which is what I have, a brick-toned red. I tend to agree. And this is a $22 product. Next, I have Ipsy, and it is the Liquid Beam in Topaz. And this says, it is a glittering liquid bronze eyeshadow that has a glossy wet finish and is very sexy glam. It says that it goes on sheer, but it's very buildable. She also adds it to the inner corner of her eyes and her cupid's bow, but you can put it wherever you'd like. This is called Liquid Beam, and I think if you go on their site, because I think I've gotten something like this in the past, I don't think that the site says that Liquid Beam is an eyeshadow. I think that it's just a highlighter that you can use as an eyeshadow, or you can highlight with, or you can cupid's bow, or anywhere you highlight, I think you can use this. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this and hope it's okay with my daughter. I have already offered it to her because I have so many of these. It is a really subtle, that is what the topaz in the thing looks like, and that is what it looks like on my hand. It's really subtle and not at all chunky. It will make a really nice highlighter or eyeshadow. That is fantastic. And I didn't show you, that's what the box looks like. And like I said, it's just called Liquid Beam, and I don't think on the site that it says it's an eyeshadow. I think they say you can use it as a highlighter wherever you'd like. Okay, and last but not least, and I can see without my glasses, Nuria Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. And that is what that looks like. Let's get in here and see what this is. Oh, it's sealed. Oh, the bottom's not. I love how they always seal the tops, but we can just sneak in through the bottom. Ooh, it's double packaged. Alrighty. I love eye cream, so this is excellent. This has mulberry root and ginseng, and it's native to China. Very cool. Well, let's put a little bit on and see what it feels like. So it has one of those slant foot tops so that you could, in theory, just try and squeeze a little bit out and kind of right under your eye. Unfortunately, I have too much makeup on to do that, but I will. Let's see if that would work. Oh, absolutely. It would absolutely work nicely. Excellent. Oh, it smells nice. It's not strong, just kind of fresh, floral, skincare-y. You know how skincare feels. I'll touch it with my hand and feel it. Oh, it absorbed so quickly. I love that. Let us see what this says. This is what the bottle looks like. And it says, this eye cream has an unusual and very useful applicator. The plastic disc prevents you from pressing too hard, and that can wrinkle your delicate under eyes. And it helps spread the product evenly. The antioxidant-rich formula absorbs quickly, that is true, and wears well under makeup. Unlike a lot of other eye creams, it doesn't crease my concealer. It also helps break down morning puffiness right away and moisturizes to visibly plump fine lines. And this girl says, I like how easily I can read the ingredients, cucumber, ginseng, and not one single word I can't pronounce. That is fantastic. And this is a $40 product. Allure Beauty Box. That is so good this month. I am so pleased. This month in our cute little green bag, we got this excellent Nuria eye cream, the Cargo Brick Red Lips, the Laritzi Liquid Beam, and I got it in Topaz, the Erno Laszlo Under Eye Masks, the They're Real Sample Size Benefit Mascara, a mini makeup eraser, and the Primera Moisturizer to try. That is an excellent month. I am very pleased with that. That is why I always say I love Allure. I just do. It's a $15 box. I'm not going to keep pointing out that that's the same as Birchbox. I'll put my video up here if you want to go there just for comparison purposes. We have a full-size eye, a full-size liquid beam, a full-size lip, and this is a mini makeup eraser, but this is a product they sell. It's like the travel size one. It's an option of purchasing. So technically kind of full size, you know what I mean? And then 3 nice samples. 4 full size, 3 samples, 7 products. I love Allure. Okay, guys. I have my link below if it's something that you guys have any interest in, and I will see you all really soon. I have more videos coming out, so please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of them, and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.